Hi, I'm going to be making some really simple French toast. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that you'll need. So please start with breaking 2 eggs. Then we're going to add in a dash of cinnamon. The next ingredient is a dash of nutmeg. Now we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of half and half. I'm going to stir it a little bit, and now we're going to start adding in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. Now that we have our egg mixture completed, we're going to focus on our pan. Let's add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it around. I'm going to pour the mixture into a little bowl. Now I'm going to dip the bread into the little mixture and then flip it over. You're going to want to put the bread directly onto the pan quickly as possible and let it cook. Repeat the process for the other slices. Cook the French toast for a few minutes on each side and then flip it over. You should have this nice golden brown color. When you know it's ready. Here's your French toast. That was a recipe that I normally use every morning for my family, and we serve it with some maple syrup. So enjoy. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.